Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily get this clock on whole of your screen on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store, so just find App Store and just find in App Store, just find in App Store this application. Here you can see it, Desk Clock Analog clock. So just click on the get, and after it will successfully download and install, you will see open. So just click on open and it will open. It will open this clock without any error. So this is how it works, how you can get clock on whole of your screen on iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.